I have no clean underwear. So the next logical choice is to wear swimsuit. Study, 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 study.
That spot of light up there looks like a jellyfish.
Today is my first and last final. And what a beautiful day it is.
For the past couple of years, I've been wanting to study biology. So I enrolled in a biological diversity course. And since this is my last day of courses, I wanted to share with you 3 of the most interesting things I learned this year. Number 1 is horizontal gene transfer. So the classical idea of what evolution looks like is it looks like a tree. But very simple unicellular organisms, they can transfer genes not only from individual to the offspring, but they can transfer their genes across to one another, across species even. And that's one reason why you see such fast resistance to antibiotics, is because you have all these bacteria that are transferring those antibiotic-resistant genes to one another. Thing number 2 has to deal with the rise of eukaryotes. All eukaryotic organisms have an organelle called the mitochondria. It's like the powerhouse for your cell. And primary endosymbiotic theory states that mitochondria is the descendant of a free-living prokaryotic organism that was ingested by another organism, and they wound up evolving together. Through genetic testing, we can see that all eukaryotic organisms, which includes animals, plants, and fungi, have mitochondria that are descendants from that one ancestral organism. The third thing that I find really interesting came later on in the semester when we were talking about animals. The animal phyla that has the most individuals is the phylum Nematoda, which are like roundworms. The way it was put to me was that if everything were transparent, except for the nematodes, you'd still be able to make out the outlines of everything. Like you'd be able to see the ground, you'd be able to see all the organisms walking around. It's kind of gross, but it's also kind of really cool. Thanks for listening. Good luck with your finals if you have any, and I'll see you next time.